welcome back to the channel. If you have ever used Snapchat, you know that it's super easy to add text and stickers to your photos. But what if you want to remove text or word from a snap you have already sent or saved? Don't worry, in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to remove words from a Snapchat picture in just a few simple steps. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. Swipe up or tap onto your gallery to access your saved photos. Choose the snap you want to edit and remove the text from. Now that you have selected your snap, tap onto the little pencil icon in the top right corner to open the editing tool. This will allow you to start making changes. You can just tap onto the text that you have sent. From here, you can delete it. Just tap onto the key icon to add fresh text if you want something new. Finally, when you are happy with the way your snap looks, tap onto the save button to save it to your gallery or hit send to share it with your friends. And just like that, you have successfully removed the word from your Snapchat pictures. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.